milestones in order to make your data science, data analytics, AI career transition. If you are able to follow these 3 milestones, making a career transition into data analytics or data science or AI ML going to be pretty simple. So the very first milestone is try to learn job-ready skills on data analytics, data science, AI, ML. So now how can I learn job-ready skills on data analytics, AI, ML? So now you can join our full stack data analytic program or full stack data science program or full stack AI program. So once you completed with your job-ready skills on top of the course which you opted, now the second milestone is build experience on data analytics or data science or AI ML. So how can I build an experience? Why I need to build an experience? So without the experience, there are very less chances to get placed into the organizations. If you have the experience, you are able to make a career transition 100% possible. That's the reason how can I build an experience on data analytics, data science, AI ML? It's very simple. So if you're enrolled into full stack data science program or data analytics or AI ML program, you are able to have an opportunity to work as an intern. So for 6 months to 1 year of time, you're able to work it while you're working on your job on the remote way, or you can do it on your free time, and you are able to build your experience. Once you develop your experience, the third milestone is it's not about what you know, it's about how you are able to explain to the interviewers or how you are able to explain it in the interview call. So that's what I'm calling it as interview preparation. The third milestone is interview preparation. If you are able to be very much focused on your interview preparation, why I'm saying very much focused, majority of the learners complete data analytic programs, data science programs, AI ML programs, but they are unable to make a transition. The major reason is they are able to complete a course, but they don't know how to build an experience. They don't know how to speak in the interviews and what to place in the interviews or in the resumes. That's where majority of the learners are failing. The problem is not with the courses. The problem is with the way you are developing your resume and the way you are targeting the companies or the way you are speaking in your interview calls. So in case if you want to make your career transition to 100%, if you want to reach to the goal, the only tip is you want to have or you need to have a proper guidance related to what you need to place in your profile or how you need to present your experience in your resume, how you need to explain the projects to the interviewers. If you're able to master the skills, so it's a very simple, you don't need to worry about how can I learn or how can I understand what to place in the resume or what to or how to explain the things in the interviews. No need to worry. So if you are enrolled into our full stack data analytic program or data science program or AI program, you are able to get into interview preparation. We will be guiding on your interview preparation regarding what you need to place in your resume to get the interview calls and how you need to speak in your interviews regarding your projects, regarding the theory, regarding the tools, so that you are able to maximize your career transition. So now if you are planning to make a career into data analytics or data science or AI ML, no need to worry. Even if you are already completed data analytics or data science or AI ML, you already doing in your other institutes, no worries. You can join BEPEC career transition programs. So where you are able to experience all the 3 milestones and you are able to make your career transition 100% in lines of data analytics, in lines of data science, and in lines of AI ML. So why are you waiting? So start booking your seats.